In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form on Wix, a straightforward way to make it easy for visitors to reach out to you directly from your website. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up and customize a contact form to suit your needs. First, start by opening up Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. Navigate to wix.com by typing it into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the homepage of Wix, look for the login button, typically located at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it to access your account. This will usually prompt you to enter your credentials, but if you're already logged in, it should take you directly to your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Edit Site button. This will transport you to the Wix editor, the heart of your website management, where all the magic happens. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a vertical toolbar. Here, find the button labeled Add, or sometimes marked with a plus sign, plus indicating Add Elements. Click on it to unfold a range of options for enhancing your site. Now, from the list of elements, select Contact and Forms. This section is dedicated to different interactive components you can incorporate. Take a moment to explore the various styles and designs of contact forms available. Choose a template that aligns with your site's aesthetic and your functional needs. It could be a simple, straightforward form, or a more detailed, classic design depending on your preference. Once you've picked a template, click and drag it onto your web page. This flexibility allows you to place it exactly where you want your visitors to see and use it. With the form in position, it's time to configure it according to your requirements. Click on the form to bring up the settings. You will see an option labeled Form Settings. Click on this to open additional customization options. Here, you'll find a feature to add or remove fields. This is incredibly useful for tailoring your contact form's functionality. Decide on the fields you need. Common options include the user's name, email, message, and phone number. Adding or removing these fields ensures you gather all the necessary information from your visitors. To complete the setup, you must specify the email address where you want incoming form submissions to be sent. This step is crucial as it determines where the responses to your contact form will land, making sure you receive and can respond to inquiries promptly. And there you have it, a fully functioning, customized contact form integrated into your Wix site, ready to facilitate easy communication with your audience. Remember, by keeping the form neat and the required fields minimal, you encourage more people to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Wix site a more interactive and engaging platform.